Turn off the highway, leave the world behind, where the palm trees sway and the pace is kind. Sprawled out wide in the Broward heat, where the grass is lush and the air is sweet. Named for a man with a heart of gold, a story of courage that's always told. Welcome at the grounds where the legends play, in the heart of the night, fight for today. Oh, we're down at Piccolo Park, from the morning dew till the sky goes dark. Hear the hum of the wheels on the Velodrome track. Once you start spinning, you ain't looking back. Between the wickets and the dugout lines, the Florida sun forever shines. Yeah, we're living life in the open air at the Piccolo Park. We'll meet you there. See the cricketers move in their whites, setting the stage for those weekend sights. The crack of the bat and the soccer cheers echoing out through the passing years. The skate parks jumping, catching air, while the joggers breathe in the humid flare, and the disc golf flies through the oak tree shade. This is the place where the memories are made. But listen close to that concrete song, where the track leans steep and the shadows long. The velodrome's banking a wall of gray, where the cyclists chase the light of day. Pedal to the metal, a blur of chrome, finding their rhythm, finding their home. At Piccolo Park, from the morning dew till the sky goes dark. Hear the hum of the wheels on the Velodrome track. Once you start spinning, you ain't looking back. Between the wickets and the dugout lines, the Florida sun forever shines. Yeah, we're living life in the open air at the Piccolo Park. We'll meet you there. City where the eagles fly, underneath that big blue Florida sky. Pick up the ball